Today we're going to talk about the 3 main questions I get asked when a patient is told that they need an implant. I'm Dr. Rachel Miro, and I'm a dentist here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists. Let's talk about implants and the most common questions. The first question I get asked, and really every patient asks this, and it's, is it gonna hurt? How much pain am I gonna be in? To put it simply, implants is not really a painful procedure. It's really localized to the area where you're missing a tooth. The first thing that we always do when we place an implant is we make sure that we get the patient nice and numb. So during the procedure, the patient feels absolutely nothing, even if they decide to be awake during the procedure. Obviously, some patients would rather be put to sleep, and this is also an option. If you want to be put to sleep so you don't remember anything, that's totally fine. But if you're a patient that's actually anxious about being put to sleep and just doesn't want to feel anything, implants are still possible. We can just get you nice and numb, the same thing we do for a filling, and make sure you feel nothing throughout your dental procedure. Then patients wonder, well, after, will I have pain? Usually the pain is somewhat of a sensitivity to your gums. I always tell patients it kind of feels like you have a pizza burn in the area. That being said, usually this can be managed with an alternating Advil and Tylenol. Usually within 48 hours after their procedure, you tend not to feel much. The second question that we get asked is, how long will it take? Well, this depends how many implants you're getting. If you're just getting a single implant, this usually takes about 30 minutes for the actual procedure. After that, it'll take about 15 minutes for us to give you instructions, how to properly care for the area, and things like that. But all in all, you're out of the office in about an hour. If you're getting multiple implants, then sometimes you can expect to be in the office for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. During this time, we make sure that you're nice and comfortable. Make sure that you don't feel anything. Make sure that you're comfortable in the chair. Whatever you need, it's our goal to make that happen for you while you're getting your implants placed. One thing that we like to stress in our office is that your time is important to us. Therefore, when we tell you your appointment is at 7, 8, 9, whatever it is, we will get you to the back as soon as that time is. We make sure that if we tell you you're gonna be here for 45 minutes or an hour, that's exactly the amount of time that you're in our office. That's really what works best for the patient. We want you to feel like you're respected and like your time is respected. The other time-sensitive question that we get asked is, how long will it take till I get the tooth part? So the actual implant is the little titanium piece that goes into the bone where the tooth is missing. That being said, it's not the outside aspect that is nice and pretty. Therefore, usually it takes about 12 to 16 weeks for your implant to heal before we actually screw the tooth part into the implant. We have lots of options for you, whether it be something removable or a temporary piece. There's definitely something to fill that space, so you'll never have to go with a gap. The last common question that we get asked is, will it look natural? Here in our office, we strive to make all restorations that we do look natural. That being said, we put a lot of thought into placing the implant. Before you come in, we always get a 3D x-ray to see where is the best location to place this little screw to make sure that your tooth looks natural. We take a shade to make sure that it matches the perfect color of the teeth around it. We work extra hard to make sure that that tooth looks natural and there's nothing fake about it. These are the 3 most common questions that I get asked here about dental implants. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to answer any implant questions you might have. I'm Dr. Rachel Miro, and I'm a dentist here at Dental Implant and Aesthetic Specialists, and I'm here to help you. Watch your mouth.
That's good. I thought you were looking at him.
No, I couldn't see him.